Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello and welcome back. So today I am doing an unboxing of Your Creative Studio. The lovely Amanda contacted me and asked me if I wanted a July box, and I'd already seen a couple of unboxings and I was like yes, and it was funny because she actually messaged me on my birthday. So this has got here really quick. So thank you very much, Amanda, and I'm so excited to have it because there is some absolutely marvellous stamps in this one, and colour wise it's right up my street. It's very neutral, which I obviously love. I think I always open this upside down. So yeah, it's the July box. Oh, and I think it came, it wasn't yesterday, it might have been the day before. So I'm going to get this up today, which is Saturday. Crikey, yeah, it is Saturday. And I'm going to hope to do a project and probably get it up Thursday, I think, because I've only got a small video a small video going up Thursday, so I'll probably put this on the same day. So here we go. I'm gonna lift it out and just get that box out there. So lovely card. Don't worry, I will be here holding you tight. And then it just says thank you so much for having the July box. So I'm going to back that and I'll make that into a card. I'll put that in my Trash Tuesday stuff. So I've got the beautiful paper, which I always tend to rip, which is a shame because it would be lovely to take a polish off. Oh, I think I've done it without ripping. So first we've got these lovely clips. Look at these. The finish on these are absolutely lovely. I don't know what it is. Antique bronze. Would it be antique bronze? And then this big one. Gosh, that's tight. Yeah, they're definitely going to be holding me tight. Oof, it's so tight, it's popped off. So yeah, two smaller ones and one bigger one. And clips always come in handy, don't they? You know, I love clips. So we'll open, shall we open the envelopes first? Oh, there's loads in here. Let's open these first because I can remember the stamps. I can't remember so much the rest of the stuff. So again, I'm going to try and keep the envelope, and these will turn up in Trash Tuesday. Well, they're going to turn up in some kind of trash video. So these are stamps. What are clips? I'm so excited to have these. They're going to look really good on my botanicals. And the couple of boxes I've had, Amanda's stamps are fabulous. I did say to Amanda that when I watched the videos of her unboxings, everybody raves about how good her stamps are, and I said you ought to sell the stamps, and she did say that she was considering doing that. So I think that would be really good because yeah, I'd like to buy some of the past stamps what I've not got. Probably do, oh, washi, love washi. Let's just open this. I forget what I was saying as well. So it's all postal stamps, postcards and clips. I absolutely love that. It's just my colour. Yes, I ought to really get myself a box to keep all Amanda's stamps in, because at the minute they're just you know, hanging about in my stamp box all loose. So this is a really nice envelope, very thick craft card. And then you've got this massive one. Look at that. And I'm really into at the minute doing like note papers on my spreads and things. So these are going to be fab. So that's those. They can go in my trash thing. Right, so let's make sure I've got no glare if I put them more over this side. Can't believe how much is in. So we'll start off with the lovely vellum papers that she puts in. So I think I'll probably make some envelopes, or I mean they make nice little notebooks. So we've got that one. Got this one. Love the colours. I say I like how there's the orange, and these will go perfect with my fall things. Wrong way around. And that one. So I think there's five of those. So I should be able to make something nice with those. And then, as always, we've got some stamps. These are Amanda's own creations, so they will be very handy. Then we've got some more stamps. We've got little clips. I think that's like a little pin. I think that's a paper clip. And then we've got these bits of paper, which again will come in very, very handy. And I love these stamps as well. They come in these little wallets, so they can stay in there. But yeah, if I got myself another kind of wallet to put the loose ones in. So yeah, I've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 11 stamps altogether. 3 clips, stickers, 5 sheets of vellum, washi, and we've still got stuff. Now I love these. These are like fragments. They're a bit similar to the 49 and Market. They're just little bits of papers which are going to be fab for collage. I mean, you could, you know, print these out from your kits and cut little squares like this and keep them in a box ready for when you collage them. You could even do little clusters on top of those. They could be your base. I've got some bigger ones and some little postcards. Oh, I love those. I mean, you could back those if you wanted them more substantial. Absolutely loads. I wouldn't be surprised if there's, I don't know, 50 sheets. This lovely little girl. Oh, another little girl. And we've got some a little bit bigger. Oh, 60 pieces. The birds. Another little girl. Some roses. Mummy and a little girl. I want to probably cover that up, but I can just put some washi over the top. So that is those. So yeah, I think these are going to be very handy pieces to have. I'll put that in my trash. I'm hoping that I can get these back in here. Because they really do need somewhere to live, don't they? I don't want 60 pieces of paper hanging. Oh, I forgot those. Hanging about. So that's those. And then I think these are, I don't think they're rub-ons, I think they're stickers. So these are all lavender. So I think I'll save these for next year. They're not lavender. They are lavender. Yeah, it's lavender. So that's those. And we've got one of our pads. They always just seem to be a little pad and post-it notes, which is great. But that plastic is a lot better than that. I'm going to transfer them over. So I've got this pad. I love this. This reminds me of a Stamperia paper. Is it wooden lace? Might like that wooden lace actually. Yeah, that's beautiful. Again, you could back these, have them as tags. You could rip them up and put them in your collage. I'm wondering if you could, I don't know if they're tea stain, but you could, you know, paint on tea stain to get the backs darker, and then have them as just pieces of paper in pockets. So I love that. Then we've got as post-it notes. Again, fab. And these are obviously the stamps, and they're all the same. Yeah, I love that. Very, very nice. And I would guess there's, I don't know, 40 sheets there. I don't know how many is in here, but about 40. Yeah, I've got loads, don't you? And then we've got some lovely stamps, and these are all vintagey things. So we've got some shoes, a car, more cars, bikes, cameras. Oh, beautiful little girl. My garage, my rules. Horse and wagon, and some little words, and a scooter. Yeah, I forget what they're called. And then we've got tiny ones. Yeah, absolutely fabulous. Look at this. I shall definitely be using that. Pop those back in. So that is July's box. I'm wondering if she'll do a nice autumnal one. I remember last year I didn't get one, but I remember seeing it and it was absolutely fabulous. There's some lovely mushroom stamps in it. So pop those in there. So that is that. And yeah, like I say, I'll come back on, did I say Wednesday or Thursday, and I shall do a bit of a craft along session. So that's it. Bye for now.